Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So we're looking at Standard of Excellence Book 3 warm-up, and we're using first position notes or single position notes as we go through this. So first, second to third, and then back to second, up to first. Tone the first note, blow through the rest. All right, here we go, starting for real. Most of that is lip work, but when you get to the F to G to A, you need to use the do single back to just lip slurs. Right, let's do that one more time, a little bit faster. All right, so that's warm-up chop builder. And moving on to number 2. All right, chromatic scale, starting on E flat. Notice that the G sharp and A flat are marked in the book as being the same, in the same position, and the A sharp is your, that's weird, that's marked incorrectly. It's showing the A sharp as a G sharp. I think there's a misprint there. All right, number 2. Doing your chromatic scale, you can start on any pitch you want, stop anywhere you want, depending on if you're going to do a full octave or 2 octaves. And now into rhythm time number 3, which we'll just jump ahead to number 4, or in cut time. So you have the C, which stands for common time. The line going through it meaning cut time, alabreve, or 2-2, meaning that the half note is getting the beat. So this is going to be 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1, a 2 and 1, 2. That snapping is because I've directed middle school band for many, many years, so it's a natural habit of mine. So 1, 2, 1. those Fs on the 16th notes, well, they're eighth notes, but the 1E and a 2 and a 6. Just for the, all right. Cut time, key of F. Now, key of F means that I have one flat. The question often asked is, what key are we in? In this case, we're in the key of F. The other question often is, what's in your key signature? And that is just that flat. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.